Okay, just yesterday I posted a video about Cyberleaks, what it does and what it's doing, what is going on, and why the token pumped massively from nearly nothing to nearly over $30 million cap within a matter of a day. That is massive. And in today's video, I think this token is still trending. We'll talk about how you can buy the token with these in simple steps on Solana. Now, if you're someone who's new here and watching my videos for the first time, let me tell you, this is a meme coin. It can pump and dump. So if you want to invest with care, due diligence, and do not put all your money into one token. It can make you money, but it can also take away your money. So let's dive in. Let's talk about Cyberleek, how to buy the token. And of course, since you're watching it, make sure to subscribe, press the bell icon if you want to get the call faster. Well, click on the link below and join my Platinum membership on Telegram and get ahead with mastering technical trading by joining the academy. All links are shared below. So first of all, you need to do is copy the smart contract address. How you do that is that I will share the link of smart contract right over here. In that, you need to look for this particular section, which is token address right over here. Copy this up, and once you do this, every step is simple. Even on desktop and mobile, you should have a Phantom app or a Jupiter app. Now, Phantom wallet is a wallet of Solana. You must have Solana token in your wallet. So have Solana token in your Trust wallet, Phantom wallet, Jupiter wallet, whatever it is. But I suggest having a wallet but trading on Jupiter exchange because that is cheaper and faster. So once you have the wallet ready, go to Jupiter exchange, and which is like this. Here, connect your Phantom wallet or create a Jupiter native wallet. And once you connect it, go to the swap option. Just go to the home page. You will see this option. This is a kind of swap option. In the cell, you can put Sol, which is Solana, and in the buy option, you can choose or paste the smart contract address, which is going to be right over here. I pasted a smart contract address. It is Cyberleek. Again, verified project here. I put the money. I just put, let's say, 1 Sol. So for 1 Sol, I'm getting 4450 token. I click on swap, and that's it. So make sure to have Solana in your wallet. So once you click on swap, you just need to enter the password, whatever it is. And once you do so, just click on confirm, and that is done. That is how you buy the Cyberleek token. Like I'm holding some token right over here. And once you want to sell it, just swap it up and sell it with just like that. Just click on swap, and you can just change the token from Cyberleek back to Solana or maybe the token that you like. So that is how easily you can buy and sell token with ease on Jupiter. Why Jupiter? Because it's cheaper. You can also do the swap within Phantom wallet, but I think that will be costlier. So that is how you trade meme coins on Solana using Jupiter exchange. For the beginners. For pro, of course, they can use Telegram bots, but of course you have to be pro for that. And this is the best way to buy and sell token, any meme coin like Cyberleek. So that's about the video. If you want to learn about Cyberleek, the video is shared in the end screen. And for membership part, to join it, to learn trading, and of course to learn skills about trading crypto, well, be part of my Platinum Telegram, and you can book a call with me and of course learn from there, get the call faster, and be part of the academy if you want to master technical trading around crypto. So thank you very much.